All right, I wanted to walk you through the addition within five daily classwork that I've added. So over here to the side, you will see numbers that they can use to answer the questions that are here. So the addition just within five. So this is a good little review practice. This one actually has pictures to help them. So 2 plus 2 equals, so they can, if they already know it, they can just drag it, or they can use the picture to help them, and they can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So come over here and find 4, drag it and drop it. Again, you're just going to look 3 plus 2, and you're going to drag it and drop it. There's extra numbers, so that they can just keep dragging and dropping, because some will have the same answers, which is fine. So they will just continue to use those numbers. It will save it as you go, and then I will show you how to turn it in so that I will be able to see everyone's answers.